Welcome to another Silkypix Quick Tip. By default, if you're using the folder view, you can only see the contents of one folder at a time. You can change how this occurs by either clicking on this folder icon here and choosing how many levels down to go, so you can view folders and subfolders. Another way to do this is to hold down the Command key on Mac, Control key on PC, and click on any subfolders or other views you want to see. We'll then render and show you the contents of both those folders. And you can do this not only for subfolders, but for other folders in the same level, or even folders in a different hierarchy as well. And you can again Command click to remove them as well. So that's my Silkypix Quick Tip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got something out of it, feel free to like this on YouTube. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know as well. Thank you.